What's up, YouTube? Sitting in my shop with my finished boat. I'm gonna give you a little tour. So here's the plans I use. They're butlerprojects.com. I built a 12-foot John boat. I ordered them online. You can check out his website and see what you think. So the boat's made with 5mm plywood, some hardwood, and pine for the gunnels. It ended up finishing out at 11 foot 11 inches. I've got 2.3 horsepower air-cooled Honda motor. Got a tiller extension here, that's a Minn Kota. Working on building a tillering handle, which I'm going to fiberglass, paint, and attach to the boat. I'll show that in a future video. Kind of walk down here. You can see right in the middle here, there's a butt block going the entire way. The plywood from Home Depot only came in 8-foot sheets, so I had to attach them together. The seats are made from pine framing, and I use poplar for the tops, which I then covered with EVA foam. Up in the front and the back, we've got bulkheads, which are sealed and filled with pour foam, 2-part AB foam. I can send a link for that. And up front, we've got a 50-pound Minn Kota trolling motor right here. For the lights, I do take this duck hunting and fishing. I just got an Amazon floodlight here attached, and I got a couple battery powered green red lights on the front. I rarely go out in the dark, but when I do, it's nice to have those. Front and back, I did attach some Kevlar felt just to help with wear. Every seam inside and out does have seam tape, and the entire boat is fully encapsulated in 2 layers of 6-ounce fiberglass cloth. The trailer is a mini trailer I got from Harbor Freight, and I extended the tongue about 10 feet using 2.5-inch 120 wall steel. I did add a winch. You can see how that attaches there. And that's it. Still needs a paint job, but I will talk about the trailer in a future video. And if you got any questions, let me know.